Hello, I'm here again for the Brazil costume tutorial that my son wore during his UNO at school. My son represented Brazil, which is known for Amazon rainforest and wildlife, so I think this kind of costume would be great. So let's get started. Working on a green satin fabric, fold it twice, making sure the edges are aligned. This will be used for the vest. Make a pattern for a vest by folding a paper before cutting it to make sure the pattern is symmetrical. Pin the pattern to the fabric, then cut. You will now have the front and back for the vest. Lay the fabric right sides together, then sew the shoulders. Also, sew the edges. Design the vest by putting the trimmings on a desirable way. Pin, then sew. Add some flat beads using a fabric glue. Arrange them onto the fabric first before permanently gluing them. With the same green satin fabric, create a lower garment or skirt. This costume is inspired by Peter Pan and Tinker Bell. That means this is unisex. A boy can wear this with the brown tights underneath, and a girl can wear this as a skirt only. Insert an elastic through the waistband. Decorate with flat gems the same as the vest. With another shade of green satin fabric, create a cape or wings for the costume. Fold the fabric. Using the previous circle skirt as a pattern, fold it to achieve a circle quadrant and trace it. To have a uniform pointed edge with the Peter Pan or Tinkerbell skirt, trace it and make a pattern. Lay the pattern on the wings and trace. Pin the fabric so it won't move while cutting the wings out. Line the edges of the wings with sequins, and also on the insides to look like a wing structure. And here's the wing costume! Also, I decided to glue flat gems for additional effects. And because my DIY costumes are for rent, I sewed the gems so they would last long after several wash and wear. At the top part of the wings where my son holds it, I attached balloon sticks so the wings won't curl. So here's the costume with the headdress. Check the description box for the link of its video tutorial. For my son's footwear, I just made them out of organza fabric, fur, elastic bands, and trimmings. Now let's give it up for...
Hello everyone, my name is Josh Riley Cyrus Guerrero, representing the vast rainforest of Brazil!
Check out my other videos on how to make my daughter's UN costume too. See you next time. Bye!